welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to explore the breathtaking Burj Khalifa? Join me as we discover some mind-blowing and interesting facts about the world's tallest building. At 828 meters tall, the Burj Khalifa stands 3 times taller than the Eiffel Tower and nearly twice the height of the Empire State Building. Beyond being the tallest building, Burj Khalifa also holds 6 other world records, including the highest number of stories, highest outdoor observation deck, and tallest freestanding structure. The materials of the Burj Khalifa will wow you. Concrete on the building weighs the same as 100,000 elephants, while the weight of aluminum matches that of 5 A380 aircraft. The Burj Khalifa is a marvel of sustainable architecture, with 15 million gallons of water collected and reused every year. The elevator on the Burj Khalifa travels the longest distance and moves at an impressive speed of 10 meters per second. The Burj Khalifa is inspired by the desert flower, Hymenocallis, with a distinctive spire emerging from the top. A whopping 22 million man-hours were put into the creation of the Burj Khalifa, requiring 55,000 tons of steel rebar and 110,000 tons of concrete. The tip of the Burj Khalifa sphere can be seen from 95 kilometers away, making it one of the most recognizable structures in the world. During peak construction periods, 12,000 workers worked on the Burj Khalifa per day. The excavation for Burj Khalifa began in January 2004 and it finally opened in January 2010 after 6 years of construction. If you liked the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.